that are related to the exercise 2.3. So we're going to start with the example number 6. This one we are having divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by the x plus 2. Now first of all, I'm going to write here fx we are having, fx will have as the dividend, gx will have as equal to the divisor, and qx will be equal to the quotient, and rx will be equal to the remainder. So first of all, this one we are having is the dividend. So fx we are having as equal to the 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and the divisor we are having gx as equal to the x plus 2. Now we are going to divide this one here. This one we are having is the 2x square plus 3x plus 1. We are going to divide this one by x plus 2. Now we have to find here 2x square. We are having x here. So if I am going to multiply x by 2x, so this one will be equal to the 2x square. So I am going to multiply this one by the 2x. So this will become 2x square. Now we will have plus. Now we have to I have multiplied this one by the 2x. If I am going to multiply this by 2, so we will have 2 2s are 4. So this one will have as equal to the 4x. So I am going to write here 4x. Now I am going to subtract this one. So plus minus minus, this one is cancelled. Now this one we are having is the 3, and in the denominator we are having is the 4 here. So we have to subtract this one. I am going to change the sign here. Because this one is subtracting, if I am putting sign here negative, then the sign inside that one will also change. So this one we are having negative. Now plus minus minus will have minus x. Now we are having plus 1. Now here we are having x, and here we need minus x. So I am going to multiply this one by the minus 1. So I am going to write here x multiplied by minus 1 is the minus x, and 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2 we are having. Now we are going to change the sign here. So this one we are having is the plus, and this one will have also plus. So this one is the minus and minus cancelled from each other. Now we have to subtract plus 1, and this one we are having the plus. So 1 and 2 will have as equal to the 3. So the remainder we are having as equal to the 3. Now we have to find whether we are having the same one or not. So we have to check this one with the division algorithm, and which we have as equal to the dividend is equal to the divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So divisor we are having is the x plus 2, quotient we are having is the 2x minus 1, and remainder we are having is the 3. Now I'm going to multiply this one. So x multiplied by 2x minus 1 and plus 2 multiplied 2x minus 1 plus 3. Now this one will have 2x square minus x plus 2 2s are 4. X plus minus minus will have minus 2 1s are 2 plus 3. Now this one will have 2x square, and here we are having the minus x plus 4x. So plus minus minus will have plus 3x. Now plus minus minus will have plus 1. So this one we are having is the dividend, and this is the same we are having is the dividend here. First of all, I am going to write this one here. This one we are having 2x square plus 3x plus 1. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So this one is verified. Dividend we are having as equal to the divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So this one we are having the example number 6. Now comes to the next example. So let's come to the next example. Next example we are having the example number 7. We are having the divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. So first of all, fx we are having as equal to the 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, and gx we are having as equal to the 1 plus 2x plus x square. First of all, I am going to write this one in the proper form. This one we are having x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we are going to start dividing this one here. This one we are having 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. We are going to divide this one by the x square plus 2x plus 1. Now here we are having the x square and here we are having the 3x cube. So we need, for making this x square as the 3x cube, we have to multiply this one by the 3 and by 1 x also. If we multiply this one, so we will have 3x cube here. So I am going to multiply here by the 3x. So this one will have as equal to the 3x cube. Now we have to multiply this one by this one. So we will have 3 2s are 6. So this one is the plus 6x square. Now we will have plus 3 1s are 3. So we will have 3x here. Now we have to subtract this one. So we will change the sign here. This one is the minus. This one is also minus. You have to change the sign. This one opposite to this one we are having. Here we are having the positive one. That's why I am putting here the negative one. Now we will consider these signs, not these signs. So plus minus minus cancelled. Now plus minus minus, we are going to subtract this one. So we will have minus 5 square. Plus minus minus, we will have x, that of the minus. And we are going to carry this one here, is the 5 we are having. Now we are having is the x square. And we have to make this one as equal to the minus 5x square. So x square we are having. We have to multiply this one by the minus 5. Now we are going to multiply this one by the minus 5. Now this is the minus 5. So we will have minus 5x square. Now if I want to multiply 2x by the minus 5. So this one will be equal to 5 to the 10 minus 10x. So I am going to write here. This one will have minus 10x. Now 1 multiplied by minus 5 will have as equal to the minus 5. Now we have to change the sign we are having here. So this one is the plus minus cancelled. Now plus minus minus will have plus 9x. And this one is the plus and plus. So we will have plus 10 here. So this one we are having is the remainder. Now we are going to check whether this one is the correct one we are having or not. So I am going to write here by the division algorithm, which we have as equal to the dividend is equal to the divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now why I have stopped this one dividing here? Now because this is the, here the degree we are having is the one which is smaller than the divisor we are having. So we stop dividing when we are having is the degree of remainder smaller than divisor. This one. So this one we are having here. If I stop here, this one is the equal we are having. So we have to divide further. Now the degree of remainder we are having smaller than the divisor. So we can stop here dividing. Now we will check this one. Dividend we are having is the 3x square cube, 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Now divisor we are having x square plus 2x plus 1. Quotient we are having 3x minus 5 and the remainder we are having 9x plus 10. So we are going to multiply this one. So this one, first of all I am going to multiply this whole equation by the 3x. Then I am going to multiply this one by the minus 5. So this one is the x square plus 2x plus 1. And here we are having plus 9x plus 10. So this one will have 3x cube plus 3 to the 6x square plus 3x. Now minus 5x square plus minus minus 5 to the 10 x plus minus minus 5 ones are 5 plus 9x plus 10 we are having. Now this one we are having is the 3x cube. Now this is the 6x square, this is the 5x square. So plus minus minus we'll have plus x square. Now this is the 3x, this is the 10x, and this is the 9x we are having. Now 9 and 3, these are the positive one. So 9 and 3 we are having 12, and this one we are having is the minus 1. So plus minus minus will have 2x. Now minus 5 and plus 10. Now plus minus minus will have 5. So this one we are having 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. So this one is verified that we have divided, what we have divided is the correct one. So this one we are having is the example number 7. Now comes to the next example. Example number 8. This one we are having is the divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by the x minus 1 minus x square. So first of all we will write here fx we are having as equal to the 3x square minus x to the power 3 minus 3x plus 5. First of all I am going to write this one in a proper form. So this one I am going to write here minus x to the power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now gx we are having is the x minus 1 minus x square. I am going to write this one also properly. This is the minus x square plus x minus 1 we are having. Now we are going to start divide this one. So we will have minus x to the power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. And we have to divide this one minus x square plus x minus 1. Now we need, here we are having power 3, here we are having 2. So we have to multiply this one by the x, so I can get x to the power 3. I am going to multiply this one, so we will have minus x to the power 3. Now plus x multiplied by x will have x square. Now x multiplied by 1 will have minus x. Now I am going to change these signs. So plus minus cancelled. Now plus minus minus will have 2x square. Now plus minus minus will have minus 2x. And here we are going to carry this one. This one we are having is the 5 here. Now here we are having is the minus x square. And I have to make this one as the 2x square. Now for that one I am going to multiply this one by the 2 minus 2. So we will have this one as minus minus plus and 2x square is equal to the 2x square. So I have to multiply this one by the minus 2. So I will have 2x square. Now minus 2 multiplied by x will have minus 2x, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 minus minus plus will have 2 here. Now we are going to change these signs what we are having. Now plus minus cancelled, plus minus cancelled, and we will have plus minus, we will have the remainder as equal to the 3. So 3 we are having is the remainder in this case. Now we have to verify it. We are having is the dividend as equal to the divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So we will write the dividend first. So dividend we are having is the minus x to the power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 we are having. Now we have to write the divisor here, and the divisor we are having is the, right here, minus x square plus x minus 1 multiply quotient we are having is the x minus 2 and plus remainder we are having is the 3. Now we are going to multiply by x this whole equation, then we have to multiply by minus 2 this whole equation. Now plus 3. So this is the minus x to the power 3 plus x square minus x. Now minus minus plus will have x 2x square. This one will have plus 2x square. Now plus minus minus will have minus 2x, and minus minus plus will have 2 plus 3. Now this one we are having is the minus x to the power 3. This is the x square, this is the 2x square. So this one will have is the 3x square. Now minus x minus 2x will have minus 3x, and this is the, we are having minus and minus, minus minus plus we are having 2. Now 3 plus 2 will have as equal to the 5. So this one we are having is the x minus x to the power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. So this one is verified we have. with the division algorithm. So this one we are having is the example number 8. Now comes to the last example, example number 9. This one we are having find all the zeros of, so we are having fx as equal to the 2x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 and minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. So we have to find all the zeros. If you know that two of its zeros we are having is the root 2 and minus root 2. Now since two zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, then the factor will be the, so I'm going to write here, then the factor will be x minus root 2 and x plus root 2. This one will have the two factors. So I can write this one as x square and plus minus minus. This is the 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 will have as equal to the 2. So this is the factor we are having is the x square minus 2, and this is the factor of this polynomial we'll consider. Now we are going to find the, if this one we are having is the factor, then we are going to divide this one with the given factor. So this is the x square minus 2. Now I have to make this one x to the power 4, so I am going to multiply this one by the x square. Now we need 2 also, so I am going to multiply this one by the 2 also. We will have 2x to the power 4. Now this one will have 2 2s are 4, so this is the minus, this one will be in the x to the power 4, so I am going to write here minus 2 2s are 4 x square. Now I am going to change the sign here, so this one is the cancelled. First of all, I am going to carry this one as same we are having, and this one will be plus minus minus, we will have plus x square. Now I am going to carry this one. Now I need minus 3 first of all, so I am going to write minus 3. Now we need x to the power 3. So 2 we are having, we have to multiply this one by the 1. So we will have minus 3x to the power 3. Now minus and minus plus, and 3 2s are 6x we have. Now I'm going to change the sign. So this one is cancelled and this one is cancelled. So here we are having x square minus 2. So I'm going to write this one. Same we need. So I'm going to, here we are having x square, here we are having x square. So I'm going to multiply this one by 1. So this is the x square, and plus minus minus will have minus 2. So change the sign here. So this one is the cancelled, this one is also cancelled. So the remainder we are not having. Now we have to find the zeros here. First of all, we are going to consider this question. So this one we are having 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now we are going to find the value of x by splitting the middle. For this one, I am going to multiply 2 by 1. So this one we are having is the 2. Now we need 2 number. When we plus minus will get 3, and we multiply we get 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to the 2, and 2 plus 1 will have as equal to the 3. So this is the 2x square minus 2x and minus x plus 1. I am going to take on from these two, then these two. So this one will have 2x. So we will have x minus 1. Here we are going to take minus 1. So we will have x. And because we are taking minus as outside the bracket as the common, then inside the bracket will change. So this one we are having x minus 1, and this one we are having 2x minus 1. So this one will have x is equal to the 1. First of all, I am going to write this one as x minus 1 is equal to the 0. So x we are having as equal to the 1. Here we are having 2x minus 1 as equal to the 0, and 2x is equal to the 1, and x is equal to the 1 by 2. So the two more values we are having minus 1 by 2 and 1. So we are going to write the zeros we are having here. Therefore zeros of polynomial we are having as 2 we are having is the 2 and minus root 2, 1 by 2 and 1. So these are the 4 zeros we are having. As we know that this one, the highest power we are having is the 4. So we will have the 4 zeros here. So these are we are having root 2 minus root 2, 1 by 2 and 1. So this one we are having is the last example, that is related to the exercise 2.3. In the next video we are going to start with the solutions of the questions that is given the exercise 2.3.